Friends, I've brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Dufaston. Dufaston is made by Abbott Laboratories and the price for one box is 828 rupees. It has 20 film coated tablets in it. The Dufaston tablets contain dihydrogesterone 10 mg. Dufaston tablet contains dihydrogesterone as an active ingredient. It is a synthetic form of the female hormone progesterone. Dufaston is an original research brand of dihydrogesterone, first approved in April 1960. Dihydrogesterone granules present in Dufaston are manufactured in Weesp, Netherlands and are tableted in two state-of-the-art manufacturing sites in India. Dufaston tablets are used to treat disorders related to the female reproductive cycle, infertility, irregular menses and uterine bleeding. It works by imitating the actions of the natural hormone progesterone and hence improves the condition that occur due to imbalance in the hormonal levels. Before starting the treatment with this medication for abnormal uterine bleeding, the cause for abnormal bleeding should be identified. This medicine may cause breakthrough bleeding and spotting. During the initial days of the treatment. If this continues, then inform your doctor. The uses of Dufaston 10 mg are treatment of pain during menses, absence of menses and irregular cycles. Treatment of endometriosis, a painful condition in which tissue that normally lines the inside of the uterus grows outside. Treatment of irregular uterine bleeding and premenstrual syndrome. Treatment of miscarriage and infertility, hormone replacement therapy in women having menopause. Some side effects of Dufaston are vaginal bleeding, migraine, headaches, nausea, vomiting, stomach pain, menstrual disorders, breast pain and tenderness. This medicine is safe during pregnancy and it can be used by pregnant women only when prescribed by the doctor. There is limited information on Dufaston in breastfeeding. Kindly consult your doctor if you are a breastfeeding mother. Progesterone is a female hormone crucial for maintaining the appropriate menstrual cycle and functions of the uterus. When the body produces insufficient progesterone, it can cause infertility, miscarriages, premenstrual syndrome, irregular menses and other disorders related to disturbed female reproductive cycle. Dufaston contains a man-made form of this female hormone progesterone, thus it helps in regularizing menses, decreasing premenstrual syndrome, prevents repeated miscarriages and helps to conceive in infertility. The directions for use of Dufaston are: swallow the tablets with a glass of water with or without food. If the patient has to take more than one tablet, they should be spread evenly over the day. For example, one tablet in the morning and one in the evening. The tablet should be taken at the same time each day. This will make sure that there is a constant amount of this medicine in the body. This medicine prescribed for a particular patient shouldn't be passed on to others. It may harm them even if their symptoms are the same. I hope you liked the video. Please like and share our channel. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.